Today we are going to see the next performance, that is brake load test on 3-phase induction motor. So let us start with the circuit diagram and connections. Okay, so please focus camera here. So you can see this is our supply system. 3-phase AC is connected to the 3-phase winding of stator through the measuring instruments. So we are having here voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeters, as well as the 3-phase auto transformer. So let us see the circuit diagram and connections. So RYB, all 3 phases are connected first to dimmer-stat. Okay, so you can see here the connection RYB as well as neutral. Okay, all 3 connections sequentially are connected here, RYB, as well as neutral is connected to neutral one. This is the neutral. Okay, then further you can see here at the output the voltmeter is connected across 2 phases, across R and Y. Right now it is connected. So you can see here across R and Y the voltmeter is connected, this one. Then starting from R phase, it is connected to ammeter, R to ammeter. Okay, so this is R phase, this is connected to ammeter here, and ammeter other point is connected to wattmeter M. So you can see here this point, another end is connected to wattmeter M. So you can see here this is the M. Then again let us come to the circuit diagram. Other end is connected to M. M and C are short circuited, as well as L is connected to R phase of the stator winding. Okay, so we will connect M and C and L to R phase. Okay, so you can see here this is the link provided. M and C are short circuited, M and C are short circuited, and L is connected to stator winding R phase. So this is R, this is the stator winding, R phase, Y and B. These are connected in delta connected fashion. Then let us come to the next phase. So concentrate on B phase. So from B it is connected to wattmeter M. M and C are short circuited. L is connected to B phase at the stator winding. So let us connect. So this is the B phase, output of the transformer, auto transformer. This is connected to wattmeter M here, and MC are short circuited. M and C are short circuited. Again L is connected to, you can see here this is connected to B. Okay, so B phase is over. Remaining is Y phase and V terminals of wattmeters. So you can see here Y is connected directly to the Y phase, along with these two V short circuited here. Means it is nothing but YY and VV, all 4 terminals are short circuited. So we are going to short Y to V, V to this V, and this V to back to Y phase at the stator winding. So let us see the connection. So this is the Y phase, output of the dimmer. This is connected to V terminal of wattmeter 1. Then this V is short circuited to the V terminal of wattmeter 2, and this junction is again connected to the Y terminal at the stator winding. So this is the connection for our experimental setup. This is the stator winding connected in delta fashion. So this is all about the circuit diagram and connections. Thank you.